Okay, Zach, tell us about your gun.
This is my Christmas present. It is a Browning, what is it, a Satori. Barely been shot, about 10 or 15 years old. Black walnut, Japanese steel. The Woiks. So, see how this baby shoots. You try throwing one for me? Doesn't shoot.
Did you put any ammo in it?
Yeah. Oh, safety's on.
Ready?
Got that flinch on camera. Pull! Too bad I can't hit anything. Pull! Woo! There you go. You gotta set him straight?
That's fine.
Pull. Oh gosh. Pull. Oh. Yeah, that was a tough one. I'm gonna stay in the shadows a little bit.
A couple more. Okay.
Pull.
It's disgusting.
Pull. Oh. You're right. The ones that stay a little bit further here seem to be really a lot harder to hit. You keep stepping out a little bit though, so if you want to step back a little bit, I feel a little bit easier swinging it across your. Okay. Pull. Come on, I gift wrapped that one for you. Give it a little pretty pink bow. Pull! Never fails. Pull! Ta-da! I don't know why I just did that, but hold on.
I'm gonna put a new.
You look stupid. Popped it open with a shovel. Alright. Yeah. Pull! Pull! It jumped! That was for the camera. Pull! Pull! Yeah, I was way on top of that. Hooey!